and after performing long division, the remainder is Rx. Now, can someone tell me? Now, can someone tell me that what and how, in what way we should write it? Can somebody tell me? Let me ask from some specific student. Uh, Rachit Mishra, can you tell me that how we have to write it? Rachit Mishra has left the meeting. Sorry. Priya Meena, can you tell me how to write it? Or anyone in the class can tell me how to write it.
So gx into qx plus rx.
Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx.
Okay. Px equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. In this manner, we write. Okay. So now this we can you can write it as a note. And now if we divide, now let us understand it. We divide Px by x minus a. Suppose we divide Px by x minus a. Then what will happen? मतलब gx की जगह पे मैंने x minus a रख दिया. So Px will be equal to x minus a into qx plus rx. Remainder. ठीक है. Now if remainder is 0, अगर रिमाइंडर 0 होता है तब हम क्या बोलते हैं? यहाँ पर अगर रिमाइंडर 0 होता तो हम क्या बोलते हैं कि 3 ने 100 को डिवाइड कर दिया कंप्लीटली. ठीक है. When the remainder is 0, we say it divides. For example, 2 divides 100. It will give you 50 and it will become 0. Remainder will be 0. So if the remainder is 0, we say this number 2 divides 100 completely. So similarly here also, if Rx equal to 0, then Px will be equal to x minus a into qx, and we say x minus a divides Px. Correct. And when you put x equal to a, then this will become Ra will be equal to 0. Okay. Now let us understand with the help of question, because examples will be better to explain this thing. Okay, let us see some example. Example, let Px equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so overall what we have to do, if we have to check that whether x minus 1 divides it or not, then suppose the question is check whether x minus 1 divides Px or not. ठीक है. तो एक तरीका तो ये है कि x माइनस 1 से इसको डिवाइड कर दिया जाए जैसे कल किया था, और अगर रिमाइंडर कुछ भी नहीं बचता है, इसका अर्थ है कि ये इसको डिवाइड करती है. x माइनस 1 इस x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 को डिवाइड करता है, बट डिवीजन में टाइम लगेगा. एक और हमारे पास एक इजीएस्ट वे है. क्या? द वे इज दैट पुटिंग x इक्वल टू 1. कैसे? दिस you put it equal to 0 and get the value of x equal to 1 and put 1 here. So 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2 will be how much? How much? 1 plus 2 will be 3, 3 minus 3 will be 0. Now it gives 0. So then this you take in left side, x minus 1 divides Px equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. So this is about remainder theorem. Okay. This is only the factor theorem. Factor theorem. Factor theorem says that x minus a will be factor of px. Divides मतलब this will be a factor. ठीक है. For example, we say 2 divides 100. So 100 equal to 2 into 50. So 2 is a factor of 100. Like this, we say 2 is a factor of 100. If it divides, it means if 2 divides 100, it means 2 is a factor of 100. Okay. Now let us see. X minus a will be factor of px if and only if what you do, you in x equal to a, you put it here. So put it here, मतलब this will become pa equal to 0. Okay, got? अब हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे तो और समझ में आएगा. तो ओवरऑल ये जो वर्क किया है, ये वर्क और भी क्वेश्चंस में देखते हैं. I think this is the right time to see some of the questions of exercise. I request you all to be ready with your textbook and let us see our exercise. Yes, anything to say? Harshita, you want to say something? Okay, nothing.
Sir, side.
Yes, yes. So, before we start, this work is there in exercise 2.4. Let us see simple things in exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, let us see first question. They are asking find out the remainder when this given polynomial is divided by various parts of it. Let us see everyone. Are you watching students? Exercise 2.3. Please see. Somebody please read. Anshuman Tiwari, will you read first question? Anshuman Tiwari, will you read first question? I request every one of you to be ready with your textbook, because if you are in this class, be ready please with your textbook. Anshuman Tiwari, are you ready? Anshuman, Mayank Shaktawat, if you don't speak, I will assume that you don't have textbook. Mayank Shaktawat, are you ready? Shreyansh, Anusha, are you ready with your textbook?
Yes, sir.
Anusha, please read first question. Go ahead.
Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by
First part.
x plus 1.
X plus 1. Remainder I have to find. Some more parts also you can tell. Then let us start all together.
X minus 1 by 2.
Okay. One more part to tell.
X.
Okay. बाकी part आप similarly कर सकते हैं. So they are asking find remainder when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1. So Anusha, any idea how to do it? Remainder I have to find out. You know, remainder theorem says that remainder you can obtain by putting this equal to 0 u2. So how much will come if x plus 1 equal to 0 and 2?
Minus 1.
x equal to -1. -1 हमको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे पुट कर देना है. तो जो आएगा इससे इसको डिवाइड करने पे वो सेम होगा, वो ही रिमाइंडर होगा. तो रिमाइंडर निकालने का एक और तरीका है. एक तरीका तो है कि इससे इसको डिवाइड कर दो एक्चुअल में, और एक्चुअल में डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आए वो रिमाइंडर है, बट उसमें टाइम लगेगा. ठीक है. एक और सिंपलर तरीका है, सिंपलर वे इज दैट x this equal to 0 into x equal to -1 will come. -1 को इसमें पुट करा देते हैं. ठीक है. Let us do it. So -1 if I put it here, how much will I get? -1 whole cube plus 3 into -1 whole square plus 3 into -1 plus 1. Solve करके बताओ मुझे फटाफट. Anyone? How much this will give me? Are you sure? Yes. How much? -1 plus 3 equal to sign लिख लीजिए.
-3 plus 1. So 0.
0 will come. Remainder is 0. लिख लीजिए. Remainder is 0. ठीक है, first part. Let us solve second part. Second part, putting, what should I put? I have to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So putting x equal to 1 by 2 put करा दीजिए. Then remainder will become, जो कुछ आएगा put करने से वही remainder होगा. ठीक है. So it will become 1 by 2 whole cube. किसी का mic on है तो off कर लीजिए. I request everyone to keep your mic off so that there is no disturbance from anyone. Very nice. So half whole cube plus 3 into half square plus 3. I hope everyone must be solving along with me in the notebook.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So let us simplify. मैं solve कर रहा हूँ, आप भी अपनी notebook में solve कीजिए और match करेंगे अपने आंसर, ठीक है? So this will be 1 by 8. This will be 3 by 4. This will be 3 by half. This will be 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So if I take LCM, 8, 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. So how much will it give me? 27 by 8. This is right?
Yes,
Is this correct? This is remainder. है ना? One more part let us discuss and then remaining part please do yourself. Yes. तो अगर ये बात समझ में आई तो somebody tell me, Kusum Ahir, will you tell me that for third part what should I put? Anyone? Third part I have to find out the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x.
0.
X equal to 0 I should put. So x equal to 0 if you put, then remainder will become super easy to solve. It is 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. How much will be the remainder? Bolo? Remainder will be 1. Remainder will be 1. Okay. So this was 2.3 first question. I request everyone to please complete the remaining two parts also. Fourth part x plus pi से मुझे divide करना है and in fifth part 2x plus 5 से मुझे divide करना है. तो मुझे बता दो फटाफट, just do yourself and just tell me whether with what I should put here in fourth part. Harshita, in fourth part what should I put here? Harshita, भाई आंसर करो. Yes sir तो बोलो at least so that I should come to know that you are there in my class. Harshita, हाँ, what should I put in fourth part? बोलो बोलो बोलो. अगर तुमने पिछला सुना है तो तुमने. Yes Harshita. Doubt?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई listen on it. देखो इसको 0 के इक्वल करना है, ठीक है? x plus pi equal to 0. तो जो आएगा x की वैल्यू सॉल्व करने पे वो मुझे पुट करनी होगी यहाँ पे. क्या आएगा? If I put x plus pi equal to 0, तो क्या आएगा? x equal to
minus pi.
minus pi मुझे कहाँ पे पुट करना है? यहाँ पे. ठीक है? तो जो आएगा वही रिमाइंडर होगा. इसमें मुझे क्या पुट करना पड़ेगा? x equal to
minus 5/2.
minus 5/2 आएगा. ठीक है? आप इसको equal to 0 करके देख लीजिए. तो x equal to minus 5/2 will come and then x equal to minus 5/2 I have to put here. Then whatever comes is remainder. समझे? ऐसा. Question number 2 देख लेते हैं. Somebody please read. Shreyansh, will you read question number 2? Shreyansh, are you there? Active?
Yes, sir.
Shreyansh,
Yes, sir.
question number 2, please read exercise 2.3.
Yes, sir. Find the remainder when x power 3 minus ax power 2 plus 6x minus a is divided by
Keep speaking.
x minus a.
Okay, so what I should do?
There is x
Sir, we have
x
to
की
put
power
a.
3 minus a x की power 2 sir.
Yes, right. Ax square plus 6x minus a. Right, is divided by x minus a. So to find out remainder, what should I put?
A.
What should I put?
A.
A, because इसको 0 कर दो, x minus a equal to 0, so how much will come? X equal to a. So just putting x equal to a. So if I put x equal to a, remainder will be a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. Solve it. A cube minus a cube plus 5a. How much will be the remainder? How much will be the remainder?
5A.
5a. Okay, that is so easy only. Complete it and do it in your notebook. Third question. Third question. Third question. Kuber Meena, will you read question number 3? Kuber Meena, will you read question 3? By calling the name itself, he has left the meeting. These things are not correct. I request you all to be active, energetic,
I can
and present in
tell.
your notebook and textbook in the class. Then only you will enjoy it.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, Shreyash, third, you read. Yes.
Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x.
3x cube plus 7x.
Yes, sir.
So factor means I have to check whether this divides it or not. Divides का मतलब रिमाइंडर कितना आएगा? अगर ये इसको एक्चुअल में डिवाइड करता है पूरा, तो रिमाइंडर 0 आना चाहिए.
0.
यस, तो एक बार रिमाइंडर निकाल लिया जाए, है कि नहीं? रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. तो रिमाइंडर निकालने का क्या तरीका था कि जिससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसको इक्वल टू 0 लिखना है और जो x की वैल्यू आए वो इसमें पुट कर देना है. तो तुम मुझे बताओ कि अगर मुझे इस रिमाइंडर निकालना है तो मुझे क्या पुट करना चाहिए इसमें? एक तो मुझे इसमें पुट करना है ना, डिवाइड बाय किससे कर रहा हूं? इससे कर रहा हूं. दिस इज अ फैक्टर और नॉट. तो मुझे किसको 0 के इक्वल लिखना चाहिए? इसके 0 के इक्वल लिखना चाहिए. और x की क्या वैल्यू आएगी?
-7/3.
बिल्कुल सही.
-7/3.
-7/3 will come, and this putting in what? Putting in this 3x cube plus 7x. तो जो मिलेगा वो रिमाइंडर मिलेगा. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया तो मतलब ये इसका फैक्टर है, और 0 नहीं आया तो नहीं है. ठीक है, चलो पुट किया जाए -7/3 यहाँ पे. ठीक है, आप लोग भी सॉल्व करिए और लेट अस मैच. So if I put it here, x equal to -7/3, I am going to put it here. Just check. This is 3. This will be remainder. Put करेंगे तो उससे क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Remainder will be 3 into minus x के जगह पे -7/3 whole cube plus 7 into x के जगह पे -7/3. Simplify करते हैं. Minus whole cube. Minus 3 times, so minus will come out. Okay, 3 as it is into 7 cube, how much? 7 sevens are 49.
343.
49 into 7, 343.
Yes, sir.
343 whole upon 3 cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 3, 9 into 3 लिख देता हूँ. 3 cancel हो जाएगा. Minus 7 sevens are 49 upon 3. 3 से 3 cancel, and this becomes -343 upon 9 minus 49. इसमें भी 3 का अप एंड डाउन मल्टीप्लाई करा देता हूं, तो ये भी 3 into 3 9 हो गया. तो 9 LCM -343 minus 49 into 3, how much? 3 9s are 37, 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 147. How much this will become? 7 plus 3 0, 9, 3 plus 1 4, minus 490 upon 9. Just check. This is this 0? ये 0 नहीं है ना? तो अगर ये 0 होता तब हम कहते हैं कि ये इसको डिवाइड कर रहा है पूरी तरह से completely. Yes, Anamika Raghav has raised hand. Anamika, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is not equal to 0. So you have to write your answer in words. that this is not a factor, since remainder is not equal to 0. So, कौन सा चीज? ये 7 plus 3x is not a factor of what? Of 3x cube plus 7x. This is what is friends? Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please complete this and let us see everyone. Exercise 2.4. In 2.4 also similar kind of questions are there. Let us all see this 2.4 exercise. Be ready in your notebooks and textbooks to solve this first question. Someone of you please read. Let me call somebody.
Sir, I can tell. Sir, I can tell.
What's your name?
Anamika.
Yes. Yes. Please read. Yes. Please read.
Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor.
Okay.
First, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1.
Okay. So the first part is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is exercise 2.4. Is this? Yeah. So first question, first part is, yes, Anamika, what is that? X cube plus x square plus?
X plus 1.
Yes. So we have to determine whether this polynomial, what to determine whether
X plus 1 a
x plus 1 is a factor of the following polynomials. ठीक है, ये मुझे डिटरमाइन करना है. तो वही काम जो अभी किया है पिछले क्वेश्चन में. क्या करना है कि इसको फैक्टर है या नहीं ये चेक करना है. तो इसको इक्वल टू 0 करो. इसको 0 करेंगे तो x क्या आएगा?
-1.
-1. -1 को यहाँ पुट करा देते हैं. तो पुट कराने से रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा. और अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो इसका मतलब है कि x plus 1 is a factor. और अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता है then x plus 1 is not its factor. Simple. तो चलो पुट कराते हैं x equal to -1 यहाँ पे. So if I put here -1, this will give me remainder. So remainder will be equal to -1, x की जगह पे -1 whole cube as it is, x की जगह पे -1 whole square plus -1 plus 1. Let us solve it. -1 whole cube will be -1. -1 into -1 into -1 -1 plus -1 whole square will be 1. है ना? Doubt? ये सब पता होगा ना? Then -1 plus 1. Check how much
0.
0 will come. So write your
0.
answer.
0.
So what should I write the answer? What is the final answer?
X plus 1 is a
One is a
factor of the
factor of-
following.
Very nice. Very nice. बहुत जरूरी है वर्ड्स पे आंसर लिखना. मैंने देखा है कुछ स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आके 0 बस खुश हो गए. नहीं, पूरी बात लिखनी है. आंसर you should write in words. Okay. So x plus 1 is factor of this polynomial. करके लिखना है. ठीक है. एक और पार्ट देखते हैं. सेकंड पार्ट आल्सो लेट अस चेक. सेकंड पार्ट इज इजी. फोर्थ पार्ट चेक करेंगे. फोर्थ पार्ट उसमें थोड़े से रूट्स वगैरह दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है. somebody tell what is fourth part? Ishita, Kamal?
X cube.
Yes. हाँ, ये tell. Yes. Fourth part.
X cube minus x square minus bracket 2 plus root 2 bracket close x plus root 2.
Okay. This I have to check. Question is saying whether x plus 1 is a factor of this following or not. So, doing the same work. Keep solving, students. Don't wait for my solution on board. You can start solving yourself. I have to check again whether x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial or not. So again, putting x plus 1 equal to 0, it will give me x equal to -1. Now putting putting x equal to -1. So if I put x equal to -1, how much will come? -1 whole cube minus x के place में -1 whole square minus 2 plus root 2 into x के place में -1 plus root 2. Carefully simplify it. This will be remainder. If remainder is 0, it will be a factor. X plus 1 will be a factor. Now check it. How much? -1 whole cube. How much? -1. -1 whole square will be +1. तो ये माइनस ये वाला डोमिनेट करेगा 1. Minus plus. Are you watching students? This -1 will become plus after meeting with this minus. So minus plus, bracket remove 2 plus root 2 and this plus root 2 as it is. Right students? Simplify and tell how much will come. -1 plus 2. This will be 0. Root 2 plus root 2 how much? 2 root 2.
2 root 2.
What is the answer finally?
2 root 2.
Yes, नहीं वो तो रिमाइंडर है. फाइनल आंसर क्या है? क्वेश्चन ये था whether x plus 1 is a factor. मेरा रिमाइंडर इतना
No,
है.
it is not a factor of this polynomial.
Absolutely right. So remainder is not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. So you have to write your answer in words fully. Final answer must be written like this. Because remainder came 2 root 2. कुछ भी आया हो 0 तो नहीं आया. तो 0 नहीं, इसका मतलब x plus 1 इसका फैक्टर नहीं. ठीक है. 2.4 it was question number first and fourth part it was. I request you all that second and third part I have left for you. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने आपके लिए छोड़ दिया तो आप भी जो है उसको हो जाएगा करने के बाद में नहीं कर लीजिएगा है ना. Today itself. The second question, let us see. Second question they are asking. Someone of you please read.
Sir, I can.
Let me call somebody's name. Vikas Sharma, will you
I
read?
can read.
Vikas Sharma, are you there? Let me talk to Vikas. Vikas, are you reading? Vikas is not responding. Maulik Chaudhary, will you read question 2? Please respond when I am asking to you, my dears. No, see they are not there, not some issue is there with them. No issue. Divyanshu Swami. Divyanshu, will you read question 2? If you respond, I will presume that you are there. Sir, my Vikas is saying my mic gone wrong. Anyone of you please read. Ayush Verma, will you read question 2?
Yes, sir.
Ayush, please read. Yes. And let us all see question number 2, what we have to do. Yes, Ayush, go ahead. Question number 2 says, use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in the following cases. So the first part is we have to check, verify that gx is a factor of px. Okay. So what is the first part? What is px? What is gx? Somebody tell me, what is px? Px is equal to
2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1.
okay, and what is gx?
X plus 1.
Okay. तो अब वही काम करना है जो अभी पिछले क्वेश्चंस में किया. क्या कि मुझे ये चेक करना है कि ये x plus 1 इसका फैक्टर है या नहीं है. तो इसको 0 के इक्वल करो. x की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
x की वैल्यू -1 आएगी. तो दिस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, इसका -1 का क्या करें? पुटिंग इन व्हाट? पुटिंग इन
Px.
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 पुटिंग px कर देते हैं. और अगर पुट करने पे 0 आया तो ये x plus 1 इसका फैक्टर होगा. Let's put this here. So 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. Let us simplify. Minus 1 whole cube will be minus. So minus into 2 means minus 2. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1 plus 1. Minus plus 2 minus 1. So how much? Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 it will be. 0 means this is a factor. So what? Gx is a factor of px. That is. So gx is a factor of px. Let us solve some more part of the same question. Question number 2. Shall we solve question second part? Second part. Anand Krishna. Yes, somebody tell me what is second part.
Px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus x 3x plus 1. Gx is equal to x plus 2.
Just check whether I have written correct question. Just check. So tell me what should I put here in px? Tell me what
Minus
should I-
2.
Yes, I should first write x plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2, and minus 2, what I have to do? I am putting in px. Okay, so let us put in px, so what will I get? I'll get minus 2 whole cube. Simplify and tell you what will come after simplifying. Okay, simplify yourself. मुझसे पहले बता रहा ये क्या आएगा? 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So how much will come? Minus 2 cube how much? Minus 2 whole cube how much?
Minus 8.
No, minus 8. Right? Minus 8. Then minus 2 whole square will be plus 4. This is 4 into 3. 12 minus 3 to the 6 plus 1. So finally how much? 12 minus 8 is 4 plus 4 minus 6 plus 1. Finally how much? 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 how much? Minus 1. कुछ भी आया हो not equal to 0 आया ना? Not equal to 0. So what is the conclusion? Final answer. What is the final answer? That this x plus 2 is what?
Gx is
Not a factor
equal
of
to
px.
the
Yes. So of course, gx is x plus 2 is not a factor of
px.
px like this. So you have to write complete answer. Please solve yourself. Third part is easy only. Please solve yourself. And time doesn't permit me to take the next question. So here I am concluding today's class. And thank you everyone for being so active with me. Thank you for